Most people think all secured credit cards are the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some help you build credit smoothly with low stress, while others take longer and cost more than expected. So the real question is simple. Is the PNC secured card actually worth it in 2026? In this video, you'll learn exactly how the PNC secured card works, what makes it different, its real pros and cons, and who should use it or avoid it. By the end, you'll know if this is the right tool to build your credit or if you should look elsewhere. Let's start with the basics. A secured credit card is backed by your own money. You place a deposit and that deposit usually becomes your credit limit. Think of someone like Alex, who has no credit history and wants a safe way to start, or Jake, who is rebuilding after missed payments and needs a controlled option. The PNC secured card fits into this category. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest advantages of the PNC secured card is that it comes from a traditional bank. That means more stability and consistent reporting to credit bureaus. If used correctly, your on-time payments can help you build credit history over time. But here's the problem. Many people assume secured cards automatically improve credit fast. That is not true. Your progress depends entirely on how you use the card. If you carry high balances or miss payments, your credit score will not improve, even with a secured card. Let's talk about approval. The PNC secured card is generally easier to qualify for compared to unsecured cards. Since your deposit reduces the bank's risk, approval is more accessible for beginners or people rebuilding credit. Now let's discuss usage strategy. This is where most people fail. They treat it like a debit card and overspend. Instead, you should keep usage low. Ideally under 30% of your limit. Even better, under 10% if possible. Always pay on time, because payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score. In a minute, I'll show you a simple habit that helps beginners turn secured cards into strong credit building tools much faster, without increasing risk. So is it worth it? The honest answer is yes for the right person. If you are starting from zero credit or rebuilding after financial mistakes, the PNC secured card is a solid and reliable option. It is backed by a major bank, which adds trust and stability. But if you are looking for rewards, high limits, or premium features, this card will feel very basic. In that case, you may want to compare other secured cards that offer faster upgrades or better perks. Who should use it? Beginners who want a stable, traditional, bank-backed secured card. Who should avoid it? Users expecting rewards, cashback, or fast credit limits increases. The bottom line is simple. The PNC secured card is not exciting, but it is dependable. And when it comes to building credit, consistency matters more than excitement. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest credit card reviews that help you make smarter financial decisions.